Good morning. Today we're going to pick challenge lock by Jason Carlson, number 73, pinned end of March 2019. It's a Seppo lock, I'd say, because that date is a Seppo date. That's the bidding, not too bad. I did pick this on camera about an hour ago, but I filmed it in shitty quality. So we're going to do it again in better quality. So this is not a first pick. Well, not out of the box. And it's still relatively recent in my head, so I can't claim anything special from this. There's the bidding again. Key works fantastically. What did I use? Try a 50 thou. Yep, fair bit of slop there, as you can see. All right, let's quit mucking around. Okay, pin one. Got some counter rotation straight away. I should go from that ledge. I'll try and get that light better. Actually, I'll try the standard hook for this. All right, click out of one. Counter rotation on two. Click out of two. We didn't drop one. Counter rotation on three. Where'd it go? 1, 2, 3. There it is. It's really not giving us much. I have to manually counter rotate that. Might come back to 3. 1 still set, 2 still set. Five feels like nothing. Maybe some counter rotation there. It's 4 doing. Definitely some. Oh no, I think I just set 4. Just needed a little touch. I'm missing something. Bloody hell. 1, 2. All right, 3. All right, counter rotation. Got to click out of 3. 1 still set. 2 still set. 3 feels set. 4 feels set. A little bit of counter rotation on 5. Five feels set. Nice deep false set. We drop something. 1, 2, touch 3. We're open. Cool. All right, let's try and make this as quick and painless as possible for us both. I know that I don't need to shim this because... Oh, wait, no, I do need to shim this one. I do need to shim this one. All right. It needs to go down deeper. I've got to get the shim over that tail piece. Yeah, that'll just fit. You think you'd be a lot better doing this the second time around, but I surprised myself. All right. Give you some focus there. All right, standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, standard in 5, the core. We've got some nice milling there in 1, 2, 3, and 5 on both sides. I had to manually counter rotate 3 and 5, I think, so that definitely helped. Yeah, definitely helped. No threading or anything else, but that's nice to see. Up the top, where's that shim ended up? Let's get him out before we make life difficult. Piss off. Where are my tweezers? Tell you what, I'm in all sorts today. All right, driver number 1. Spool. Driver 2. Spool. Driver 3. Long spool. Truth. 4 is a T-pin. And I remember the springs being the same, so I'm not going to bother. 5 is a spool too. Still got a shy spring. Come on, you bastard. There we go. All right. Let's bring you in for a bit of a squiz. We've got standard key pins on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got a spool in driver 1, spool in driver 2, long spool in driver 3, T-pin in a couple of little serrations on it in driver 4, and another spool in 5. Probably should have checked any mods to the to the top. No mods at all. That's Ricin from Carlson. Thanks for watching.